Perth is the most isolated city in the world. It's also got some of the nicest weather, but that means we've got days well into the 40s, particularly out in the mining areas. It's very hot, dry, dusty, a pretty hostile environment for a label. The HP 6K with the light fast inks has allowed us to produce super high quality labels for the mining sector and others that require the labels not to fade. This means that the label will last outside for much longer than a traditional label. So the HP 6K gives us a far better quality of print in terms of resolution, in terms of registration particularly, and by having light fast inks it allows us to have that offset quality digitally but still have the light fastness. Since implementing the HP 6K, we have seen a far greater uptime in our print and allowed us to increase the size and scale of our business into new markets. Our relationship with HP gives us confidence that we have the best technology out there, that we will always have the highest quality label.